In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp with HubSpot, enabling you to connect, message, and even automate your communications right through this incredibly useful platform. This tutorial is especially helpful if you're looking to streamline your communication and build a more robust customer relationship management system. To get started, we're going to dive right into the HubSpot user interface. First, head over to the HubSpot user guide. This will serve as your platform hub from which you'll be conducting all your operations. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this guide, as it often contains invaluable insights and tips for getting the most out of your integrations. Next up, you'll want to direct your attention to the marketplace. Think of the marketplace as your gateway to a multitude of apps and features that can enhance your HubSpot experience. In this step, simply click on the marketplace option. The marketplace is designed to help you find and install new tools that will expand your capabilities, and this includes the WhatsApp integration we're working with today. Now proceed by clicking on the Apps section. By doing this, you'll be navigating to a specific area within the marketplace that's dedicated to applications. This area is quite diverse and filled with numerous apps, but today our focus is solely on WhatsApp. To pinpoint the WhatsApp integration, type WhatsApp into the search bar. This will help you find the exact application you need without sifting through the extensive list of applications available. The search functionality in HubSpot's marketplace is efficient and allows you to quickly identify and select the app you need. Upon finding it, you'll see an option named WhatsApp Actions and Inbox. Click on this because it's the specific integration we're aiming to install. This particular app provides you with tools designed to better manage your WhatsApp communications, organize your inbox, and make customer interactions more streamlined and effective. Finally, to bring everything together, you'll need to click on Install App. Installing the app will integrate WhatsApp with your HubSpot account and give you immediate access to all the new features and functionalities. It's a quick and easy process. Just follow the prompts you see on the screen. By following these steps, you integrate WhatsApp seamlessly with HubSpot, providing a unified platform for all your customer engagement needs. Remember, this integration not only opens up direct communication channels, but also automates workflows, saving time and increasing efficiency. As you explore the integrated features, don't hesitate to refer back to the user guide for any additional questions or to explore further capabilities. Happy integrating!